Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina. I love to make wine. The reason why I do this is because I want to show that everybody that they can make their own wine at home in a safe manner, and it's super easy, super fun, and you will enjoy every minute of it. Today what we're going to be doing is going ahead and bottling some peach tea wine. So if that's something you're interested in, you should definitely hang out. This product was starting gravity around 15%, and it actually finished all the way through. I always use the easiest type of yeast that I know that my viewers are going to use and get a good product out of. So it's going to give you a higher alcohol volume content, and not only that, it's pretty much like a done deal that it's going to ferment no matter what, and it's going to taste great. So that's why I always use this on my channel, because I want things to be easy for my viewers. I made about 4 months ago. This is kind of like a semi-sweet, more on the dry side type of wine. This wine has already had its potassium sorbate and its Campden tablet, so it's not going to ferment any longer. And let me tell you something. My inspiration came from the Sutter Home peach tea wine that they had come out with last summer. And this is way better. Way freaking better. The one that Sutter Home came out with was like teeth curdling, too sweet, give you a headache nonsense. This, she's not like that. She's pretty good. First thing you're going to be using is an auto siphon, and these two pieces connect together, and this is what an auto siphon looks like. Next thing you'll be needing, of course, is an auto siphoning hose and one bottle filler. Here are my parts put all together. So right here, all I'm going to go ahead and do is just start pumping the auto siphon, and that will automatically get the siphoning going, and that is it. You just start going. Is here is the bottling piece. I told you about this little black button that goes on here, and when you push that down, that's what's going to fill the bottle. So you can see, like, I've raised this up, but the siphoning is still together, you know what I mean? So it kind of stops it. So what you would do is just push that down in the bottle, and that's what's going to help fill it up. So yeah, that's what you just push that little sucker in there, and it's just going to fill the bottle up and keep a lot of air out of what we have going. This is a 6-gallon carboy of the peach tea wine. It looks magnificent in the bottles, and I'm just so happy and excited. Make sure that all of your stuff is sanitary. I know I reiterate that a lot, but it is a very important part of the process. If you stick around till the end, I would like to give you some couple tips on bottling that I think will help you a lot. So make sure that you stay around to the end to see that. Also, I want to give a shout out to Ken. Ken, you're awesome. You're always commenting on my stuff, and I think that you're an amazing person. You're so kind, you're so sweet, you have words of wisdom, and you're a great person. So thank you, Ken, for always supporting my channel by commenting and liking the videos. I see you, and I think you're great. Let's get to wrapping up this bottling as fast as we can. Here's one of the tips I want to give you guys while we're trying to finish up. What I'm going to say about when you're bottling is, you'll see I always let some spill out when I pull out this button, because that makes it so where there's less air in the bottle, so there's just enough air in the neck. You see all of them are pretty equal. Using this bottle filler really does help make sure that you're getting an equal amount in each bottle when you're giving it out to friends or whatever, so it's just equally distributed. But at the same time, you don't want to stop bottling like down here. You want to let a little bit splash over, and just like that, see? And when you do this, this is why I always use a little Rubbermaid container and a white towel in, because I can always bleach this towel, and also this tub is easily cleaned so that we're not making a mess all over the floor. Because if you just put down a towel and you're letting this fill up and then splash over, that liquid's still going to soak through the towel onto the floor, and then everything's going to smell like liquor in your house, and uh, it's more mess to clean up when you can just have everything in a contained area. And that's why I like, and my tip for you is to go ahead and get a small little container like this so you're not making a mess all over your floors. Oh my gosh, I was like, oh, I still have so much wine and I don't have enough bottles. So my shirt's like literally all wet because I had to make sure I washed and disinfected and took all the tags off. More bottles. Damn it. My birthday did pass. It was on December 8th, and I turned 30 years old. I wondered what it would feel like to be 30, all those years ago, and now I'm here, and now I feel like I'm 40. So I want to do some changes in my life, try to eat a little bit healthier, be a little bit of a healthier person, and see if I can make those bad knees disappear. And I know I'm over here bottling wine talking about lifestyles, but I'm not drinking them every day, okay? It's okay to indulge, but not every day. So that's another thing that I would say. Make sure that when you're getting into this, you're not overindulging, that you're enjoying the process because it's a hobby, not because you're an alcoholic. Just saying. As you can see, I still have, a little line here left. I'm just going to go ahead and waste that. I have 14 of these big bottles of wine. So I think this is enough. I really don't want to touch any sediment. Not that there really is too much lees or sediment in here. But 14 bottles is quite a lot for 6 gallons. And I can't wait to taste it with some people, see what they think. So I can film it with you all so you can see how much they enjoy it as much as I do. If that's another video you'd like to see, make sure you comment down below, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can see more content that I create. And as always, happy fermenting. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see a taste test of this wine. I'll put it in the playlist along with the recipe in the description down below.